Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of death. Amen. Gentle woman, quiet light, morning star, so strong and bright. Gentle mother, peaceful dawn, teach us wisdom, teach us love. You were chosen by the Father. You were chosen for the Son. You were chosen from all women, and for woman, shining light. Gentle woman, quiet light, morning star, so strong and bright. Gentle mother, peaceful dawn, teach us wisdom, teach us love. Blessed are you among women, blessed in turn all women too. Blessed day with peaceful spirits, blessed day with gentle hearts. Gentle woman, quiet light, morning star, so strong and bright. Gentle mother, peaceful dawn, teach us wisdom, teach us love, teach us wisdom, teach us love.